and welcome to cheekyricho's Brazilian cheese puffs. These are gluten-free, really easy to make. We're going to be using the Thermo Chef. They taste delicious. They're great hot, warm or cold with soups. You can fill them with things. They even eat them with jam, cream cheese or bacon. The ingredients are in the recipe box below, so let's get started. We've just got some Gruyere cheese here. Pop that into the Thermo Chef jug, just cut into cubes with some veggie salt. If you don't have veggie salt, just little flecks of vegetables in there and herbs, then just use plain salt, but I think this gives it a nice flavour. And we're just going to sort of grate this, but it'll be quite sticky. It won't go like grated Parmesan cheese or anything like that. Speed 8 for 10 seconds. Okay, after 10 seconds, this is what you should have. It's really quite sticky and puggy now. We're going to send in the rest of our ingredients. We have milk, 1 whole egg, vegetable oil. I'm using rice bran oil. And this is tapioca starch. You could use arrowroot flour if you like, because it's gluten-free. And now we're just going to mix this on speed 5 for 10 seconds. Okay, after 10 seconds, this is what you should have. We're just going to scrape down the sides. We've already scraped down the lid, and make sure that all of the flicked up components end up back down near the blades where they belong, and then we're just going to blend them again. Okay, another 10 seconds on speed 5, and then we're going to bake them in a preheated 220 degree oven for 12 to 15 minutes until they're risen, puffed and golden. Okay, it's flicked up the sides again, but don't worry too much about that because at least it's nice and blended this time and all of the ingredients are incorporated. Just scrape down the lid, scrape down the sides. We have a 24 mini muffin tray that we have just greased with butter, and we're just going to fill these pans to about 3/4 of the way. I'm using a medium-sized cookie scoop here, and that'll hopefully keep the top of the tray a little bit clean. Continue with the rest. Just pop them into the oven, 12 to 15 minutes at 220 degrees Celsius. Allow them to cool, and then fill them with anything you like. We've used marmalade, we've used cream cheese with sun-dried tomatoes, our fig and walnut paste, and some Quince Paste. They taste really delicious. Why don't you give them a try? Thanks for watching.